Hello and welcome guys once again in this video, and this is Masum Mustaq. As always, now I am gonna discuss the topic, and that is about how you can grow yourself and how you can be a fluent speaker in English. Okay, so make sure you have already subscribed my channel. It's a humble request, and like my videos and comment on my videos and share my videos too. Okay, so let's start. Now I will discuss three topics in this video, and the first topic is, should I quit? I'm not saying about myself, I am saying about yourselves. Should you quit? For example, should I quit? No, you should not quit. Because who have quit? Where they are right now? They are not now anywhere. If you don't quit, then 100% you will get success. For example, if you want to be fluent in English, if you want to become a fluent speaker, then you must not quit. You should practice, because practice makes man perfect. So ask yourself, are you tired? Are you uninspired? No, never. You have already inspired. You are already inspired. So don't quit, because quitting is not the solution that you can avoid any problem. If you avoid any problem, then no solution will come. So you should not quit. And number two topic is, that is overthinking. Yes, overthinking. Because in overthinking, everything is in your mind. Okay, everything is in your mind. You are stuck at your mind. You are not able to come out from your mind, and that's why you are stuck in your mind. Do you know that overthinking is like a rocking chair? It helps you to feel busy, but it will never take you anywhere. You are always stuck in your mind. So quit overthinking. Don't quit, and to practice spoken English with your friends, family, whosoever you are not speaking English. Okay? Even in my case, I sometimes overthink too much. But what is the solution of this? I am not getting any solution of overthinking. Is overthinking always help me to decrease myself? Overthinking always help me to demotivate myself. It never makes me to motivate myself. So that is the main way that you should quit overthinking. Okay. Now the number 3 topic is, never give up. Yes, that is never give up. You should not give up. Just imagine and think that champions, they are not born champion. They are champion because they never quit. That is the true thing. Okay, so you should not quit. They practice and practice and practice, and finally they become champion. And in that case, if we try to make ourselves motivated, keep ourselves motivated, and try day by day to speak in English. So on that way, we should must learn a new thing, and we will become a good speaker in English. Always remember my word that you are a failure, not because you have failed, but because you have quit trying. So keep trying, don't quit trying. Don't quit, and keep hope in yourself. Be motivated, don't demotivate you, and keep trying. 100% you will get success. You will become a fluent speaker in English. So I hope you already got me, and you have already subscribed my channel, like my videos, and comment on my videos. That's all enough for today. Meet you soon on my next video. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind.